marketplace the other day and we came across the, well, hello everybody. We was searching on Facebook marketplace the other day and we came across another Camaro for a decent price for parts. So we're off headed. Got Big Blue in the trailer loaded up, so we're headed off to go get them. We'll get back with you once we get there. It's pretty junky one, no tires. So I had to pull the tires off the other one so we can get it loaded up. It's in Aztec, so we'll be heading that way and get it picked up.
Phone. I've been having a Walmart phone for the longest time.
Yeah. All right, now we can let that down and we'll...
Maybe I can get this underneath the pumpkin, I don't know. I don't know how I did it last time. I might have to go by the frame right here. Yeah.
That's not taking too long, like it did for that other car, because it had those lock nuts on there and I had to...
Do you want to leave it full though? That's a full exhaust with the muffler and everything.
Mine's all bent, really destroyed.
Yeah, I think this one's all straight, dude. I think it might even have the color. No, it don't have the catalytic converter, but it's just a straight pipe all the way out the muffler.
12 sleepless hours later.
Slowly but surely, you'll get there. I was thinking this is a lot taller, but it's because there's no motor in is the reason it's setting taller.
Oh, yeah.
Easier on the trailer. Really?
This is about middle?
It's about middle.
Okay.
What's on the floor?
How far up you want it?
All the way.
I don't know if it'll stay there or not. It'll probably roll backwards.
Let me grab the...
Go ahead and grab whatever you got to grab.
Grab one tire strap first.
You're good. It's not that heavy. Ain't got nothing in it.
One tire strap down and then you can let go. Alrighty.
Alright, cool. I don't know what this little strap's doing, but...
it fixed. Diesel.
Well, we're just checking the straps here, getting ready to take off. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you guys all next time. Thanks for watching.
Big